What's up, my fellow touristas? It's Bernardo, and welcome to my channel. So, in this video, we are going to talk about what are the things that I really put in my luggage or in my backpack as we are in traveling. So in this video I wanna show you, I wanna tell you or give some small tips riguarda come deve mettere in una nostra valigia, since we are a traveler. So it's really important So, thank you. What's up, everyone? So, hasta la vista again, guys. What's up there, my fellow touristas? So in this video we are going to talk about the things or the really important putting in our luggage. So I think I want to show you, since we are a traveler, I want to show you what are the things that I put in my trolley or in my backpack. So, and I try also to give some tips so that if you are traveling, you know the things that you do, since we are touristas. So check the video, and I hope you like it. But first, don't forget to subscribe on my channel and put a like, and if you have something to say, just write down below your comments, your suggestions, or maybe something that I forgot to tell, especially if you are also a touristas just like me. So let's get started and let's begin our video. So here it is, our luggage. It's a small luggage for about 1 week or a 5 days travel. So let's get started and let's start our packing. We have our boarding pass here. So it's empty, and let's start putting our things. Actually, the first thing that I do in preparing our luggage is that I write down in a paper or in a notebook, all the things that I wanna put in my luggage. That is the very first thing that I do, and I think that is also the very first tips that I could tell you or I could share you upon traveling. So let's get started. There you go. That I usually put is the sneakers, shoes, and slippers. So that is the first thing that I really put in my luggage. So I try to put here in a small bags, even this one, sneakers, because I think it's really important, and it's really if you are walking, if you are running, this is also a very important if you are traveling. One slip, right? Molto comodo praticamente, and then one husband. That's it. All are here. And after that we have my underwear. I think 3 is, I think for 5 days it's already enough for your underwear. And then we have costume. I mean 2 or 3. I usually put 3 swimwear if you are going in the beach or in summer. Obviously you're gonna need swimwear. These shirts, actually I put some shirts. The things that I like with this one is that they cannot occupy a lot of space, so that you can just throw them like that. It's not also necessary to put in things. It's not necessary, just throw them in there in the luggage, because it's not getting a lot of space. Just hold there. And then I usually put 5 or 6. Just hold on that, and that's it. Here, 1, 2, just hold, and 1, and then 2 shorts and 1 pants, and that's it. And the shoe and the shorts. And that's it. So I want to start with this backpack. This is actually one of my favorite ones. Actually, it goes around already, around Greece. He's with me in France, in Barcelona, in Switzerland. So I guess this could be my body for about, I think, 5 years already. It's really one of my favorite backpacks. So actually in this backpack, I put everything here, the very important one, especially the documents, iPhone, wallets, sunglasses, caps, everything is all here, in the power bank, because it's really comfortable. And if I move in other places, it's actually a very useful. Ready to close. And next we have in my backpack. So this is a place where I usually put all the important things. So I think the things that important, the most important one. So the first thing that I really preparing is this small packet. I think in this one is everything is here. I mean, the documents, my passport is here, and this is actually the first thing that really put or in my mind. It's obviously the documents, and then your here the carta d'identità, everything here, soggiorno here. And I've got also a shade here. So that's it. And my power bank, I put it in my backpack because it's, I know what to do. I know where it is. Notes. This one I usually have my notes and pen. Here, where I write everything. I mean, where I write everything. For example, I have a new idea on what the video it is, something that words and the title of the video, so it's all in here. I put, and then this this one, usually I put all my things. It's like caps and sunglasses. Here, I usually, well, I love really caps. You know, I'm a Yankees fan. The red here. So I think I just choose 3 of them. So that's it, and we are ready. We're about ready to travel. So that's it. We're about ready to start our journey. So let's just keep in mind that you just get the importance or the necessity that we really need on traveling. Sometimes 3 shirts, underwear, toothbrush, shampoo, I mean everything, or even if you're not getting that, because I think if you're going in a hotel, they were gonna give you something, soaps and everything, so that, I mean, just in case you don't have, just get smaller amount, and shoes, a sneaker maybe, because if you're hiking, walking around the city, it's important that you have these comfortable shoes. And then eyeglasses, it's also important, because just if the sun is come out, you have this. And that's it, guys. I hope you have learned something in this video, and I hope there's something that I tell in this video that will gonna help you in the time or in the future when you're going in traveling. So and another one is, I really want to tell that before you going, or I mean traveling around the world, I mean in the places, be sure to know what are the rules and regulations about the airport, because in every airport there is something that is different. For example, there's if you go in France, I mean they will not this is really strict about it with the liquid and with the something that water or perfume, so you don't have to carry on in your luggage. And for instance, in Spain, that it's more something not really strict about it, so you can just put in your backpack, or even in the Philippines, for instance, there's a new rule on that. You cannot put, or you cannot bring your umbrellas in your bags already, or even some things that you cannot carry on inside the aircraft. So if you have something to know, you have to first read the guidelines that with the airlines that you are getting. So, for instance, in the Philippines, before traveling, there's sites wherein the Foreign Affairs that lists all the things that you will get or the things that you will not carry upon traveling. So it's really important so that you cannot create problems, or if you have something to say, just write down below what are your thoughts, or even the things that I forgot to say. Just write down below, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so that you cannot miss anything upon uploading the video. So that's it. Hasta la vista. Ciao.